Hi everybody, AJ here. I just wanted to give my humble opinion over the various Leatherman tools out there. And this is a Leatherman Wave. Um, and this tool, just so you know, cost me $53. I paid for it at auction on eBay. Which I think is a really great price for this tool. There are several other tools out there in this class. The Charge TTI, which is a titanium, has a titanium frame, and the Charge ALX, and then there's the Wave. Now, I'm going to tell you that, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to post it, but I'm going to tell you the difference in the tools. The Charge ALX does not have a large screwdriver and a scissor. Both the Charge TTI and the Wave have those tools. The Wave does not have what they call a wire crimper, while the Charge TTI and Charge ALX both have those. Now, I don't know, but as far as I'm concerned, this pliers here is going to work pretty good as a wire crimper. Now, I know there's the coaxial type where you need a groove or whatever, you know, it's so you just crush it in there, but it does also have a little bit of a plier there that might work. I don't really see the need for that anyway. I mean, I'm not a cable guy, but this tool has everything. Now, the TTI, although it is lighter than this one because it's got the titanium frame, is selling on eBay. Just so you know here, I'm looking right now at an auction, and the current auction, the cheapest auction price right now is $54.51 with $4.55 in shipping, and the auction has 1 day and 21 hours left in it. And I'm looking at the cheapest buy it now price for the Charge TTI, $96.95 on eBay. Amazon prices are very similar, and I don't know why I would want to pay $96.95 for a tool that I could get for the same tool, except for the frame, for $53. I'll go with the Wave without the wire crimpers. So it has the same outer blades, the two outer blades here. They all lock. It has the tool files here. And the pliers and the wire cutters. There's wire cutters in here. And then, of course, it has a whole bunch of tools. The scissors. The flathead screwdriver. And what else is here? The mini bit. The mini bit driver. And then on this side, we've got the bottle opener, can opener, and wire strippers. And the large bit driver, which, by the way, these lock. If you notice, these lock, and then there's a release here, so you can lock it. One of these tools will always locked. They all lock, as well as the blades. And that's this tool. It's got a ruler along the edge here, you know. I like it. It comes. I bought the one with the nylon case, belt loop here. Some nice Velcro, and it's got a little pouch here in the back. I don't think you could fit much in there, to be quite honest. Well, let's see. I guess you could fit 2 fingers worth of stuff in there, fingers worth of stuff in there, and still get this the tool in there, the wave tool in there. So that's pretty good. So we'll see what I'm going to put in there. I don't know yet. I just got this. I've seen some people on other YouTube videos load some great. Okay, so I'm going to end this. Thank you very much. Hope you got something out of that, and I'm going to try to post the various tools and the descriptions of the various tools. Okay, you can check the pricing yourself.